Hi everyone, welcome to Pluralsight. My name is Greg Dickinson, and welcome to my course, Designing Computing for Cisco Data Center Infrastructure. I'm a network engineer at a bank in my home state of Alabama. I've been playing with computers since the stone age of Novell NetWare, MS-DOS, and Windows 3.1. I've watched business computing technology mature and managed to learn the skills necessary to help companies effectively use technology to enhance their workflows. Running a modern data center requires many multidisciplinary skills. In this course, we will explore some of the foundational topics to design an effective computing infrastructure in both the physical and virtual server world. Some of the major topics that we will cover include an overview of Cisco's data center networking offerings, how to manage virtual network connections to your physical servers, how to manage modern hyper-converged infrastructures, and finally, how to automate server deployment in the Cisco UCS environment. By the end of this course, you'll have an understanding of Cisco's UCS server offering and the best ways to design and maintain the computing infrastructure in the modern data center. Before beginning this course, you should be comfortable with networking concepts and a basic understanding of server hardware and storage. From here, you should feel comfortable diving into data center administration with courses on designing networking for Cisco Data Center Infrastructure and designing storage networking for Cisco Data Center Infrastructure. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn data center networking with the Designing Computing for Cisco Data Center Infrastructure course at Pluralsight.